Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? All right, what we're going to be talking about right now is what's going on in California with the torrential rains, and they're triggering flash floods. All right, now since the end of December, a parade of cyclones has swamped California. And the latest round of torrential rain has caused flooding in Los Angeles County, and still unclear in the early morning hours of Tuesday the extent of destruction. Those social media videos on Monday evening have shown flooded streets, overflowing streams and rivers, and mudslides in what is usually a dry, sunny place where residents have to worry about drought. So the National Weather Service said that 34 million people are under flood alerts across southern and central California through early Tuesday. In Los Angeles County, a flood warning is in effect throughout the evening. Now, forecasters have estimated that the latest round of rain could bring upwards of 5 to 10 inches in some areas by the end of this week. And more stormy weather is forecasted for today. NWS said that heavy rain precipitation is expected this morning and will begin to taper later in the day, and warning a new and energetic low pressure system was becoming more powerful offshore. And officials said that Los Angeles and San Diego residents faced an increased risk of flash flooding and mudslides. Tropical storm strength winds are also forecasted for St. Louis, Obispo County. Parts of Highway 101, which runs up and down the west coast, were closed due to flood out sections of the major roadway. Santa Barbara County told residents to shelter in place and closed public schools. And officials told wealthy residents of Montecito, such as Prince Harry and Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, to evacuate because of this flooding. Now, it was just 6 months ago that alarmists and celebrities were complaining about the droughts, and Governor Newsom, he announced yesterday that storms had caused 14 deaths. It's terrible. He said that the figure was higher than the deaths caused by the wildfires in the past 2 years combined. And the endless deluge is due to an atmospheric river leading low altitudes and records amounts of rain and high altitude with feet of snow. In the Sierra Nevada, a mountain range in eastern California, some areas received 1 to 4 feet of snow. And most of California has seen rainfalls totaling in the past few weeks up to 600% higher than the average. And that is according to the NWS. And AccuWeather said that the storms have already caused more than $1 billion in losses and damages. And it's terrible. All right, guys, I'm out of here. All right. You stay safe. You stay positive. You keep prepping. And as always, fear less. Ciao.